Today, we'll discuss some important MCQs on child labor. Question number 1. What is the definition of child labor? The answer is option B. Employment of children that deprives them of their childhood and is harmful to their physical and mental development. Question number 2. Which region has the highest prevalence of child labor? The answer is option C, Asia and Africa. Question number 3. Which sector commonly employs child labor in rural areas? The answer is option C, agriculture. Question number 4. What is a common form of child labor prevalent in urban areas? The answer is option B, domestic work. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a strategy to address child labor? The answer is option C, encouraging child labor to support family income. Question number 6. What should governments do to combat child labor? The answer is option A, enforce and strengthen laws prohibiting child labor. Question number 7. What role do corporations play in addressing child labor? The answer is option C. They should adhere to responsible sourcing policies and ensure their supply chains are free from child labor. And the last question is, which of the following is not a consequence of child labor? The answer is option A, improved quality of life for children.